Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about mutation. Introduction. Sudden heritable changes in genetic material or character of an organism is known as mutation. Individuals showing these changes are known as mutants. An individual showing an alternative phenotype due to mutation is called variant. Factors or agent causing mutations, basically the agents which are responsible for mutations are known as mutagen. Mutation which causes change in base sequence of a gene are known as gene mutation or point mutation. Talking about the history, English farmer Seth Wright recorded case of mutation for the first time in 1791 in male lamb with unusual short legs. The term mutation was coined by Hugo de Verrees in 1900 by his observation in Onotheria. Systematic study of mutation was started in 1910 when Morgan genetically analyzed white-eye mutant of Drosophila. H. G. Muller induced mutation in Drosophila by using X-rays in 1927. He was awarded with Nobel Prize in 1946. Now, talking about the characteristics of mutations. Generally, mutant alleles are recessive to their wild type or normal alleles. Most mutations have harmful effects, but some mutations are beneficial as well. Spontaneous mutations occur at very low rate. Some genes shows high rate of mutations and those genes are called mutable genes. Highly mutable sites within a gene are known as hotspots. Mutation can occur in any tissue, any cell of an organism, either it's somatic or germinal. Now, discussing about the classification of mutation based on the survival of an individual, it is of five types: lethal mutation, sublethal mutation, subvital mutation, vital mutation, and supervital mutation. Lethal mutation is when mutation causes death of an individual undergoing mutation or known as lethal. Sublethal mutations are causes death of 90% individuals. Subvital mutation, these are such mutation which kills less than 90% individuals. Vital mutations are when mutation does not affect the survival of an individual, so these are known as vital mutations. Supervital mutations, this is the kind of mutation which enhances the survival of an individual. Another types are based on the cause of mutation. First, spontaneous mutation. Second, induced mutation. Talking about the spontaneous mutations occur naturally without any cause. The rate of spontaneous mutation is very low. For example, methylation caused by deamination of crystone. For example, UV light of cell light causing mutations in bacteria. Second mutation is induced mutation. Mutation produced due to treatment with either a chemical or physical agent is known as induced mutation. The agents capable of inducing such mutations are known as mutagen. For example, X-ray causing mutations in cereals. Another types are based on the tissue of origin, and on the basis of tissue of origin it is of two types: somatic mutation and germinal mutation. Somatic mutation is A mutation occurring in somatic cells is called somatic mutation. In asexual reproducing species, somatic mutation transmit from one progeny to the another progeny. Second, germinal mutations. When mutations occur in gametic cells or reproductive cells, these are known as germinal mutations. In sexual reproductive species, only germinal mutations are transmitted to the next generation. Another types are based on the direction of mutation. On the basis of direction of mutation, it is of two types, forward and reverse. Forward mutations occur when mutations occurs from the normal wild type allele to mutant allele are known as forward mutation. Reverse mutation occurs when mutation occurs in reverse direction, that is from mutant allele to the normal type of allele, or known as reverse mutation. So basically these are opposite of each other. For in case of forward one, it is towards the mutant allele, and in case of reverse allele, it is towards the wild type allele. Next type is on the basis of trade affected. On the basis of trade affected, it is of two types, visible mutation and biochemical mutation. In visible mutation, those mutations which affects on phenotypic character and can be detected by normal observation. So these are called visible mutation. Another one is biochemical mutation, mutation which affect the production of biochemicals and which does not show any phenotypic character are known as biochemical mutations. Another type of mutation is chromosome mutation. See, we can see in the picture that this may involve changing in the structure of the chromosome, either loss or gain. So this is known as chromosome mutation. Chromosome mutation exists in five types: deletion, inversion, translocation, non-disjunction, and duplication. See, deletion, it occurs due to the breakage when a piece of chromosome is lost. As we can see in the picture, there is the breakage of the chromosome as a small part of chromosome is deleted. So it is known as deletion. Next part is inversion. As we can see in the picture, chromosome segment break off, segment flips around backwards and then again reattached. Now next is duplication. It occurs when the gene sequence is repeated as shown in the figure. The part of chromosome is duplicated and then it formed a section of the DNA. Now the next is translocation. It involves two chromosomes that are not homologous in nature. Part of one chromosome is transferred to another chromosome. So it is known as translocation. One chromosome will be transferred to the another part of the chromosome. As we can see, before translocation and after translocation. See, one part of the chromosome is translocated to the another part. So this mutation is known as translocation mutation. Gene mutations is of different types. It includes point mutation, substitution, insertion, deletion, and frame shift. In point mutation, there is a change of single nucleotide, includes the deletion, insertion, or substitutions of one nucleotide in a gene. Point mutation, sickle cell disease is the result of one nucleotide substitution, occurs in hemoglobin gene. In frame shift mutation, there is insertion or deletion of one or more nucleotide, changes the reading frame like changing the sentence, proteins build incorrectly. Hope you understood about mutation and its various types.